Hi little ones, welcome back to my sessions. So we are again back with our vowel chapters, and what are we going to learn today? We have already done A, so it's the turn of E. It's the turn of E. So welcome to Learn Forward. So we are going to learn E sound words from Phonics skill books. From Hi Kids, Feather Cap. So come on everybody, take out your notebooks, your crayons, your pencil, your eraser and a glass of water along with you so that you don't rush in between. Okay, let me start now. So we have already discussed all the vowels and consonants. I don't think I need to repeat them again and again, but let's do a quick revision. So we are doing short sound words. And we have already discussed the short sound words are A, E, I, O, U. And when they make their sounds, A make the sound of E. E make the sound of A says E, apple. E, elephant. I, ink pot. O, owl. And U, umbrella. So these are short vowels. Short sound vowels because they are making a sound. They are making a sound. They are not making their own name, but they are making a sound. And what is the difference in long sound words? When two vowels work together, one does the talking and the other one is shh, and the other one is shh. Other one stays quiet. And the first one does not take its sound, it takes its own name. It does not take its sound, it takes its own name. And the other one stays silent. It sleeps, it does not make any sound. And the word ends with a consonant. And the word ends with a consonant. So let's learn it with the examples. Now, E sound word. As we all know, what's the sound of E? Eh. Say it with me. Eh. All right. Now, short E sound words. E plus G, egg. E plus G, egg, egg. Egg, egg. All right. Now, what's the sound of B? These are all short sound words. And here, the alphabet is making a sound of its own. Alphabet is making a sound. These are called short sound words. All right. Egg. Now, B makes a sound of be, beg. Be, egg, beg. Ke, egg, keg. P, egg, peg. N, egg, neg. L, egg, leg. Now, move to the other one. E, n. E makes the sound E plus N, N, N. Now, D, N, den, M, and men, P, and pen, T, and ten, H, and H. What's the sound of H? Take out from your stomach. Do it with me. H, hen. All right. Now, the third one is d, and we combine together, it makes a sound of ed. Now, ed, fed, ed, led, ed, red. What's the sound of W? Ed, wed, ed, bed. Now, the fourth one, E plus D. E makes the sound of et. You have to say the sounds very carefully. Look at me. Look at my mouth. How I'm making the sound. You have to make it exactly the same way. Now, et, b, et, bet, g, et, get, l, et, let, m, et, met, j, et, jet. So this way we have learned the short E sound words, and they are very simple because we have already done it in vowel chapter, so it's not difficult to understand. Now we'll move to long sound words. Now, long E sound words. as we have already discussed, and I'm sure you all have done the revision also. When two vowels come together, now there are two vowels. They could be together and they could be like one consonant in between, then another vowel. But there are two vowels in a word. It could be heat, or it could be like we did it earlier. They can be different also, like mile, M-I-L-E. So I comes first, then a consonant comes, then comes a vowel. So in that case also, when two vowels comes together, the word, the sound always ends up with a consonant, and the first one makes a sound, the other one is shh. Like, let me explain you with the example. Now E and A, there are two vowels. Now here E will make a, what's the sound of E? E. And what's the sound of A? A, apple. So, but A will stay silent. Shh. They are walking together, they are friends, they are sleeping. A is sleeping and E makes the sound. But another rule, E will not make its sound. It will take its own name. E is called E. E, what's the name of E? E, what's the name of this alphabet? E. Otherwise, what's the sound of this alphabet? E. What's the sound of this alphabet? E. But when two vowels come together, the first vowel does not make its sound. It forgets its sound and it says its own name. So here E will be called E only, and the sound will end up with a consonant. Now H-E-A-T, heat. Heat. E says E only, heat, and it will end up with a consonant sound. Now M-E-A-T, ma-eat, meat, ma-eat, meat. B-E-A-T, ba-eat, beat, ba-eat, beat. S-E-A-T, seat, B-E-A-T, beat. Now the other one, D-E-A-L. Here E will make a sound of E. A will vanish, it will not take out any sound, and E will take its own name and not the sound, and it will always end up with a consonant sound. D, D-E-L, deal. H-E-L, heel. So M-E-A-L, meal, M-E-L, meal. S-E-L, seal. P-E-L, peel. But the sound will only come out of E, and not the sound. The name of the alphabet will come out. Now F-E-A, flea. P-E-A, pea. S-E-A, see. T-E-A, tea. P-L-E-A, plea. P-L-E, plea. R-E-A-D, read. L-E-A-D, lead. So I am sure you are witnessing, you are observing this, that A is silent, it's not taking out its sound. E is not also taking out sound, E is taking its own name, and the word is ending up with a consonant. P-L-E-A-D, plead. B-E-A-D, bead. M-E-A-D, mead. C-R-E-A-M, cream. D-R-E-A-M, dream. T-E-A-M, team. S-T-E-A-M, steam. B-E-A-M, beam. So we are done with short sound words and long E sound words, and I'm sure it's all clear to you. Now we'll do some fun exercise. Now correct the words which have short E sounds and cross which have long E sounds. I'm sure you can easily identify the short and long E sound words. Let's do it. The first thing first, what are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? We'll select a pen. Now I've chosen this dark blue pen. Now, short E sound. H-E-N, hen. Here E is making a sound and not taking its own name. H-E-N, E. What's the sound of E? N, he, N, hen. So we'll take a tick. Short E sound. T-E-A, T. Here two vowels have come together, so it's a long sound word. So we'll cross it. Now, B-E-D, 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 bed. B-E-D, B-E-D, bed. So it's a E is single vowel is there and it's taking its sound. Now, M-E-A-L, two vowels have come together, so we'll cross it. It's a long sound word. Now, P-N, pen. Short E sound word. Only one vowel is there. Now, P-E-A-K, peak. It's a long E sound words. Now comes cute little 10. T-N, 10. Short E sound words. Again, we'll tick it. Now, N-E-T, net. Short E sound word. So, we'll tick it correct. All right. So, now we come to write rhyming words for each long E sound word. So, these are all long E sound words and we have to write rhyming words. We have already discussed this. What are long E rhyming words? What are rhyming words? Like, tell me quickly. Rain, brain, main. So, the words which sound similar are called rhyming words. So, let's do it. E-A-M. M. E is making a sound of E only. It's taking its own name. M. M. So, what can be? T. Yes. What can be the word? Team. T-E-A-M. Team. T-E-A-M. Team. Eam. Team. Eam. Team. Now, what can be the other word? Team, bream, beam. The other rhyming word could be beam. Don't follow my handwriting because I'm writing on the board, so it's difficult to write. You all write it down beautifully. Don't follow me for this. All right. Now we come to the other word. E-A-L. Eel. What is the sound? Eel. E is making its own sound and it's taking its own name. Eel. So, the word could be seal. The word could be, rhyming word could be seal. Alright. Now, the other word could be meal. Yes, the other word could be meal. Alright, we are done with this one. Now, what is this? Eat. Now, E is taking its own name. So, what could be the word? Beat. Yeah. The word, rhyming word could be beat. I'm finding little difficult, so don't follow my handwriting, please. So, no, it's not looking nice. So, let me erase it and do it again. Oh, it's very naughty. It goes here and there. Right, we'll do it again. Now, right. So, we'll write down beat beautifully. I'll try to write down beautifully. All right. Now, the other word could be eat, seat, neat. Yes. And write it down neatly. You all also write it down neatly. Neat. Now, we come to the other word. Eed. E-A-D. Eed. Because E takes its own name. And A is silent. Eed. So what could bead? Eed, bead. Eed, bead. And what could be the word? Bead. Need. Eed. No. What could be the other word? Come on, come on. Lead. Lead. The other word could be lead. Yes, lead. All right, so this way we come to the end of this exercise. Let's see what comes up next. Now, color the clouds with long E sound words blue and short E sound word yellow. So, first thing first, we have to color, we have to take out blue color. We have to choose blue highlighter. All right, choose blue highlighter. Okay, so we'll color all these long E sound words blue. Now, Lead. Two vowels are there, so we color it blue. I have chosen dark blue color. Last time I chose light one. This time I chose blue color. They have not mentioned sky blue, so I have taken dark blue. You do it neatly, children, because it's difficult to color on the screen. Now, P. Two sound words, so again we'll color it blue. I'm not going to color all the clouds. You have to identify few clouds on your own and do this exercise later. All right. Now this way. Yes, turn, turn, turn. This way, we are done. I'm going to color one more. Now these are all shorty sound words. Deal. I'm going to color deal. Two sound words are there. Two vowels are there. So I'm going to color it blue. Rest you have to identify. It's a very simple and easy exercise. You can easily identify on your own. Right. Now, heel is another long sound words. Now, need, heat and meet. You have to color them on your own. So, now we'll color few shorty sound words in yellow color. Shorty sounds word in yellow color. What's the short? Jet, jet, jet. Here, E does not takes its name, but it takes its own sound. This is a beautiful, bright, shiny yellow color like sun, like we see in the sun. I'm enjoying doing this color. Now, another den, you do it on your own. Net, you do it on your own. I'll do one more. Bed. Yes, I'll again bed. Bed. E does not takes its name. It takes its own sound. It takes its own sound. So let me color it. Right, we are done. Very well done. Show me your notebooks, everyone. Quickly show me your notebooks. So rest of the sound words you can color on your own. So children, after this session, first of all, you need to complete this exercise before closing your books and running for play. First of all, color this exercise and later on do the revision as many times before we jump on to the next vowel. So you should be very well friendly with this one. All right. So we'll meet soon. Happy learning till then. Bye-bye. Take care.